So you may be thinking that this chair looks like a spaceship, and you may not be wrong. But since this brand sent it to me for this video, I've been kind of like testing it out, and this chair surprised me a little bit with some features. I'll show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But the bottom line is that this chair gives you so much freedom in every single position that you can actually have, and not only for working like productivity or home office or even gaming. This one gives you a really nice lumbar support over here, kind of like this section. It actually allows you to stretch, you know. So let's say that I want to stretch like this. So it allows me to do that. So I think it's really, really cool that you can do that as well. 400 pounds of weight limit. It also comes with wheels, or if you want, you can change with this kind of like legs and make it to be fixated in one single place. And the assemble process, it is actually quite simple. I thought about filming the assemble process, but it takes maybe 10 minutes if I'm exaggerating. Let's take a closer look. Okay, check it out. I want to show you how hard density foam this one is. This is the one that is going to give you that really nice support you need. It's cushion, but more firm than cushion, and that's intended because this is the one that is allowing you to actually stretch when you want. Same thing with this one right here, but this one is a little bit more cushion. It has a high density foam, but it's just a little bit more cushion than the other ones. And the same thing happened with the armrest, which, by the way, you saw what you can do with the armrest, and you can stop them at any point. So that's going to be a really nice one if you need a wider space, or if you need, for example, to crisscross your legs, you can do it as well. Or if you need something like this, a little bit more relaxing, a little bit more chilling, you can do it as well. Or if you own a beauty shop or a tattoo shop or something like that, you can use this one to actually sit the other way, and it still has so much room right here on the sides. Check this out. You can also sit like this if you want right here. So you have a little bit more of a taller place if you need to sit over a higher surface, just like this. But again, the thing about this chair, this transformer chair, as you can see, that give you so much option just to sit however you want, crisscrossing your legs on top of it, backwards, or if you want to kind of like relax and lay it out on a flat surface, you can do it as well. And with the super easy assemble and the 400 pounds, this could be a multi-function chair. We actually have a big wheel space, so that's going to be for managing all those 400 pounds of weight limit. But it can give you a really nice support all over your body, like lumbar support on your legs, on your back, on your hip as well. And the most important thing is that allows you to stretch like this for when you're sitting for long periods of time. I'm gonna actually give a vote of confidence to this chair. I like it, and I do recommend it. Just try it out, and you'll see you'll not regret it.